This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Monica Bartoscha. Heritage Harbor Lighthouse Cove newly remodeled 3-bedroom, 2.1 bathroom townhouse with open floor plan. The unit has been completely redone. Recent upgrades include tile floors, new carpet, a new air conditioning unit and ductwork, recessed lighting, and a new stackable washer and dryer. The kitchen has beautiful granite countertops, tile backsplash, newer appliances, a new sink faucet, a Bosch dishwasher, new disposal. The community offers a large swimming pool, playground, park, softball field, lots of biking and walking trails, clubhouse, local golf course. Minutes to Anna Maria Island and attractions. For more information, review the details below.